Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage on this, well, what do we call it? A windy and cooler day. Still Wednesday, by the way. Yeah, I'm still doing some stuff outside. But today, I've been, I drove it once. The old Ford Freestyle. Haven't had it up and running for about a year and a half. And I decided, you know what, I'm going to drive it again this summer. Had some problems with the transmission, so I took care of that and reset the transmission. It works right now, but coming at the end of this year, I'm actually going to pull the transmission out and see if I can actually work on it slowly. See if I can get it working better. Maybe I'll start it later and let you hear to it. But right now, I got to change these headlights, and let me turn this headlight on, or headlights on. You can see that they do not work. They're both blowing out now. So, there we go. We got the marker lights on. But no, the headlights are both, well, maybe they're gone. Maybe I scavenged them and put them on something else. Maybe there's a good reason why there is no headlights on, because I'm just noticing something over there. Does anybody remember the good old Harris Chevrolet Oldsmobile of Selkirk, Manitoba? I do not, but somebody might. But this, this looks like, let me feel in here and see if I actually got headlights in it. I got no headlights in here. You know what I think I did? I think I took these nice ones out, put them in the Jeep Patriot, because the Jeep Patriot took the same headlights. So now I got no headlights in it. So I'm going to put some in it, and let me see what I got lying around here to see what I can put in it. Well, I found some Sylvania. I don't know what ones they are, but they look like the expensive ones. I think I took them out of the wife's Jeep. Yeah, her Jeep uses these type of headlights. And why did I take them out? I think it's because I put LEDs in her vehicle. This vehicle, by the way, cannot run with LED headlights. And this is not going to fit. What kind of headlights? This isn't. No. What number is this? Ah, these are 9004s? Oh, I thought they were H13s. My mistake. I gotta go looking again. Well, there we go. I think I found a couple. H13s. That's the ones I need. So, I am going to get her plugged in here. There we go. Click. And I seem to remember this might have been a pain in the butt to do. As my arm's in the way. That one is in. Okay, we got one in so far. Now let me see if I can get this one plugged in. Actually, this one looks like the easy one. That one didn't go. Gotta get her just right. Is it? No. There we go. Well, let's give them another try and see if they come on. And they do. Well, that's nice to see. Well, there we go. You know, I'm going to have to do these lenses. They're looking pretty terrible. I'm going to have to get those done. I'll have to do those soon. I got a new product to use on those, so maybe I'll do that. First, though, I'm going to let you hear what this vehicle sounds like with that transmission hum. So I'll start her up, and you can listen to this. runs like a charm. I love this vehicle, actually. It works pretty good for me. But that transmission down there, the CFT30, is making that sound. So I'm gonna have to pull her and see what I can do about it. But overall, these things are built like tanks. Why would they put a transmission that is just a piece of garbage into a great car like the Freestyle? No wonder they didn't last very long. They didn't know what they were doing. You put a 6-speed automatic in these things, they run forever. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe they were going to run forever. I still see some of these out and about. Yeah, people see mine out and about still. But yeah, I'll put this out on Sunday. And, well, hopefully it's a good Sunday video. Thanks for watching.